Hi guys, we are heading to Salem to see Amy and friends. It's September 10th. It's Saturday. We are traveling from Portland to Salem, guys. It's about 1 hour drive there. So they're starting their get together about 10:30 in the morning. So we're gonna be a little bit late to get there, but at least we can still make it. So I am with my wife Jackie. Hi Jackie.
Hi.
And we're gonna have a good time today, guys. I'll show you guys what we're doing and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, we just got here. It's about 11:30 in the morning, and we just parked and we drove for about an hour. So it's a little bit cloudy today. Actually it's smoky because of the fire going on. So we'll see. How's everybody in there? There's a lot of people. Jackie's putting her shoes. Hello, hi. Hi. Say hi, guys. Hi. 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 How are you? Good to see you. Guys, we have turon with ube, calamay, seaweed, tomatoes, dried eggplants, fried milkfish, lechon, barbecue, okra, tomatoes, barbecue, shrimps, some squid up there, palabok, fresh lumpia, more squid, fish bowls, some kind of a dried fish, lumpia Shanghai, more fish, more fried fish. And these we call banana fritters. They're native bananas with special flour and sugar, and it's really good. Here, special flour and sugar. This one is a huge size of halo halo. This is the biggest halo halo I've ever seen. The halo halo good. The halo halo good.
Budol fight 2022. So last Budol fight of the year. You can see. Kami talaga sa atin ang kalakay. And ito pa yung tao, freshly made by us. So I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. Subscribe, share, and what happened?
Yes.
Diba? Say hi naman, Pedro po.
Hello. Hi.
Ang saya-saya.
Yes. All the time. That's it. Hey guys, we got this biggest halo halo that we ever have. Look at this, guys. It's a huge bowl. Look at that. Huge. It's my hand. Oh my gosh. And there's Ami. Thank you, Ami. Hi guys, we are here in Salem, Oregon, and actually just met a new friend that is also doing a YouTube, and she's a brand new YouTubers, guys. And I'm gonna go introduce you guys to her. And there is Carnaza Creations. How are you?
Good. I'm
Good.
great. Thank you, Liz. And hi, my name is Melin from Carnaza Creations.
All right. And where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Yeah, what part of the Philippines?
Cebu, Philippines.
Wow, guys, Cebuana. She
Yeah,
is a
I'm
Cebuana.
Bisaya.
Yes, we're
Yeah.
from Cebu.
In Danbantayan.
Bantayan,
Carnaza.
guys. So I know I have a lot of friends in Cebu. She's also from Cebu in Bantayan. And guys, she
Carnaza.
just started her channel, Carnaza Creations, guys. So I'm gonna put her channel down on my video once you guys watching this. And if you have not subscribed to her, guys, please show our support to her, Carnaza Creations. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to her, guys, and help her, especially our Cebuanas there. Right. So it's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you, Liz, and thank you so much in advance
Yeah.
for your help and
So,
support.
yeah. And what is your video is about?
My video is all about traveling, cooking, anything that is fun to
All
watch.
right. There you go, guys.
Yeah.
So watch out her video, guys, and it's gonna be fun. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, guys, the party is over. We are heading back home. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and ring that bell. I'll see you guys later. Have a good day, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.